We'll have a quick look around the models using John Ball's camera. This is Martin's balsa models he's brought today. I don't know what they are. What models are these in, Martin?
Mini face, the orange one.
Okay.
And the red and white one's Carla.
Okay. Lovely job. Gordon's also brought some recycled models here today. What have you brought, Gordon?
Middle phase and sophisticated lady wings.
Okay, so this one is a middle phase and this one is a sophisticated lady, yeah?
Wings.
Oh, wings, okay. This is my model, middle phase, given to me, freebie. This is our new friend, which we've met on the slope here. What have you flying, bud?
It's a Hacker Vagabond.
Okay.
Pretty good, but